Good morning, dear student. This is a class of 5th standards and this is a class of grammar. Okay, dear students, look here. In last period, we had learned many things related with collective nouns. Look here. What is meant by the collective nouns? Collective nouns in Marathi samudayawachak naam. Samudayawachak naam. Remember this samuday, which shows the group of things or members. Samuday means a collective nouns. Okay, remember this. A noun which describe a group of things. Group of things, that is called collective nouns, which shows a group of things, animals, or which refers the peoples. Remember this. That is collective nouns. Okay. A bundle of stick. A bundle of sticks. Bundle, which shows the group of sticks, and it is a collective noun. For example, the many examples are here. Look here. An army. Do you know army? It is a collective noun which include the many soldiers. Remember this, the spelling of soldiers, S-O-L-D-I-E-R-S, soldiers. Okay? Pronounced as soldiers. The spelling is S-O-L-D-I-E-R-S. Soldiers means an army which include in army, in Indian army, like that. Okay, then next, a bench of judge. A bench of judge. Okay, in a group or in a collective noun, when we use these, that means in a group there are many judges. Remember this, like on a bench of judges. In Supreme Court, you heard that in Supreme Court. Yes, Supreme Court. Remember this, Supreme Court, there are a bench of judges. It is a collective noun. Then next, bouquet of flowers. Look here, bouquet of flowers. Do you know flowers like this? Flowers. Okay. These are the flowers. Remember this. Okay. And remember this, bouquet of flowers. Bouquet of flowers. The spelling of bouquet, B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. Remember this, pronounced as bouquet. And bouquet of flowers, that means in a group of bundle or in a that means which collected, many flowers collected in a group, that is called bouquet, and it is a collective noun. Okay, जब हम बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स एक जगह उसे कलेक्ट करते हैं और उसे क्या कहते हैं? बुके. Then a chain of mountains. Do you know mountains like this? Mountains. Okay, like this. These are the mountains. Okay, a chain of mountains. Mountains, chain means sakri in Marathi. That means these are the continuous up and downs, which include a chain. And chain is a collective noun which shows the group of mountains or group of mountains. That is a collective noun. Okay, the next one is a code of laws. A code of laws means many laws include in a one book, and that is, we can easily say that the code of laws, and it is one collective noun. I hope that you will understand what is meant by the collective noun and its example, which shows the group. Remember this, the many things come together, that is called like this. These many things come together, that is called collective nouns. Okay, look here. Here are some rules. The first rule is some collective nouns always plural. Some collective nouns always plural. For example, people. These nouns always use as plural. Plural. People हे नाव काय आहे की नेहमी अनेक वचनी वापरलं जातं. पीपल. रिमेंबर दिस, म्हणजे लोकांसाठी आपण नेहमी अनेक वचनेसाठी वापरलं जातं. आणि हे काय कलेक्टिव्ह नाउन आहे, समुदायवाचक नाम आहे. नेक्स्ट, द पोलीस. it is also used as in plural form. Remember this. And the next one is children. Okay, the singular noun is child and children is a plural noun which is collective noun. The next one is, next rule is teams. Teams that take the name of country. Teams that take the name of country or a town can take a singular or plural verb. Remember this, the country name can be take a singular or plural verb. For example, the first example is here, India. Look here, India is the most experienced, remember this, team in the tournament. Remember this, tournament. India is, if you observe, the country name is India and it take a singular verb. And in next example, here is England. Look here, the second example, England are losing in the opening match. While here are plural verb. The country name is England and here is used plural, so that we can easily say the country name or town name can take singular or plural verb. In this way, we can easily learn the collective nouns. I hope that you will understand the whole thing related with collective noun. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.